Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Cooper's Pen, Trelawny. That's the new Riu Hotel that was recently opened, and it is a massive structure. We're going to give you a video on the opening soon. But today we just want to show you or talk about the removal of some of the shops that were in front of the hotel. So we're going to give you a quick look. Okay, so these are the shops that were in front of the hotel. So they had to be removed. Now the police along with the municipal corporation removed the structures. Now when the hotel was under construction, you had up to 700 workers working at some times. And I must say, this building went up so fast. I've never seen a structure go up so quickly in Jamaica. So the shops were there to facilitate the workers. And so since the hotel is now finished, or the major construction finished, the shops had to be removed to facilitate the building of the gate. And this is going to be the main entrance to the hotel. So although I'm sure the vendors didn't want to see, or the owners of the shops didn't want to see the shops removed, they understood that they were not going to be there forever. It's the entrance to the hotel. And there was no incident or anything. The police were there just as a formality. So this is now Cooper's Pen. And this is the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica. You have the Royalton Hotel down here. You have the Riu. Actually, Royalton has two hotels down here. You have the Riu and you have another hotel down here on the right. Excellence Oyster Bay. So we will definitely keep you guys updated on what's going on in this area, and we'll give you a video of the opening of the Riu Hotel soon. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. And what do you think about how some of these areas look where you have hotels? Like in Lilliput, Montego Bay, they're building so many hotels, yet across the street you have shops, etc. And same thing with Cooper's Pen, you have these hotels on one side, and on the other side they have these small shops, etc. Nothing like what you have on the hip strip in Montego Bay or Ocho Rios or Negril. Those areas don't have those kind of establishments across from hotels. So this is the hotel we're talking about. And you see how big this gate is. Excellence Oyster Bay. And more hotels are going to be built in this area, so we'll definitely keep you guys updated. Well, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Maybe they should have like I don't know, a tourism area or something, but guys, let us know what you think. Alright, have a good day.